After giving your name and your reservation confirmation to the guardhouse, you'll pull into the porte cochere. From there, you can have bell services help you unload, or you can do valet. If you choose self-parking, it is close by, but you will be asked to move quickly. The new DVC Discovery Tower is in the back corner of the property. You'll pass through the lobby and gift shops to the walking paths in the central pool area. As you walk through the pool complex, you will pass Trader Sam's, a sit-down bar and grill, and Tangaroa Terrace, a sit-down and takeaway restaurant. And you'll also pass the iconic monorail pool slide. There are several cabanas that you'll notice for rent. We haven't rented one here, but we have at Disney World, and it's lots of fun if you can build in a pool day. The entrance to Discovery Tower has the iconic Welcome Home message from DVC. The decor at Discovery Tower is inspired by mid-century and color palettes from previous Disney movies. We had a one-bedroom villa. When you first get in, on the right there's a set of closets, and the first closet has the washer and dryer unit, and the second one is storage with the safe and room for luggage. When you go past the closets, you'll enter the big open area, which has the kitchen, the living room, and the dining room, and unlike other DVC properties, the kitchen is part of the larger space and not partitioned as its own space.
The one bedrooms at Discovery Tower have a second bathroom for the kids.
The primary bedroom has a king-size bed and a bathroom with a separate water closet, a separate shower stall, and this really cool mosaic bathtub feature and two separate vanities.
What makes the Discovery DVC Tower so special is, in addition to the second bathroom, there's two pull-out Murphy beds. One pulls out into a queen.
And I had the second Murphy bed that folds down into a twin.
We really enjoyed the Murphy beds.
And they were very comfortable.
Our room was Princess and the Frog themed. All of the bathroom mirrors had lights in them with designs.
Upon check-in, you are given a few K-cups and some portions of coffee to brew, but I would bring extra, and the coffee makers are basket-style filters. Discovery Tower has its own gym that's well equipped for those who have the energy after an exhausting day at the parks for exercise.
Discovery Tower has its own pool area that is heated. One afternoon, we had lunch at the Palm Breeze.
I had the Southwest avocado salad, which was very yummy and filling, but not too heavy.
I had the grilled chicken with fries and fruit, and it was very yummy and filling. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to click subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video.